Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, OBS installed and your microphone recognized. Open Settings, go to Audio and choose the mic you want. This ensures correct routing. Once done, disable any exclusive app control in your OS audio settings so OBS can access the device reliably. Next, navigate to Settings hotkeys. You're starting the first actionable step. Reserve a key for push-to-talk. This immediate setup avoids later conflicts and lets you assign a key that won't interfere with other shortcuts. Now you assign the hotkey and explain why it matters. In hotkeys, locate the push-to-talk action for your microphone input or global mute/unmute control. This determines whether the whole output or just one source is gated. Click the hotkey field and press your chosen key or combination. Choose something comfortable and unlikely to be pressed accidentally. Then click Apply to save. To verify, do a short recording or use monitor to listen. You want instant unmute when holding the key and immediate mute when released. Finish by locking the audio mixer layout and running a full stream rehearsal so you can feel the push-to-talk timing. Make sure key repeat settings and keyboard hardware aren't introducing delay. Lower audio buffer sizes in advance if latency persists, and use monitor and output to isolate the issue. If presses aren't registering, inspect global hotkey conflicts in other apps and run OBS as administrator so it captures keys reliably. One troubleshooting tip: enable logging and reproduce the problem to pinpoint whether it's OBS, OS, or your keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.